So it's our second anniversary today. So we are heading to ITC Windsor Manor for a staycation for a day, and I'm going to take you there with me. This is the room of the premier suite. And then we have a massage chair here, which obviously we're going to use. Study table-ish kind of thing. Then you enter into the bedroom. Dressed up for the lunch. Sham, show your face. Off we go. So I'm wearing this dhoti skirt from Howrah Bridge. This is a polka dot shirt from Shein and shoes from West Side. I don't know if I can call it Indo-Western or retro, but yeah. We're here for lunch. That's the pool side. A little too tiny for me. So they basically had a set menu, but out of goodwill, they let us order from their main menu. This is how they've served us. This is Rogan Josh here. And the parathas come in two different packets because we ordered two different type of parathas. So ITC sent this pretty little cake for our anniversary. Thank you. And that's creme brulee, which was part of our meal, and we couldn't eat it at the table, so we got it to our rooms. Going to get ready now. I'm gonna add serum now and get ready in a super fast mode because I can hear the fam is here. Sham is right behind the lamp playing game and talking. The luxury happy hours and back to the room and chilling with the fam. Finally we rushed for the breakfast because obviously we woke up late thanks to the 12 inches bed mattress. Back home, back to reality, back to work, everything. The staycation was nice. The food was a set menu because of COVID, and their butler service was a bit let down because of COVID again. So yeah, overall it was a good experience and had fun. And now let's go back to earning our own living now. See you on the other side. So if you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Share it with your friends. I am Anusha, aka the small town blogger. I talk about fashion, lifestyle. See ya.